Step one of the home buying process. I'm excited, right? You're in escrow. Congratulations, first and foremost. Before we dive into this, you are about to embark on an amazing journey, and we're really excited to be a part of that journey with you. So, step one in the process is we have to send the initial deposit, sometimes known as the Ernest Money Deposit, into the escrow company. That is all done via wire these days. What you will want to do, we'll give you the information for the escrow company. You'll reach out to them. They'll provide you with the wiring instructions so that you can wire that deposit in. By default, that's due within 3 days of your offer being accepted. So we'll want to make sure that we get it set up within that time period. Couple quick notes. One, wires. It is very important. We play it safe with wires. We never want to have a wire go to the wrong place. So we want to not only reach out to escrow to get the wiring instructions, but before we send that actual wire, we want to call the escrow company one more time and just verify the information directly with them. Make sure no wires get crossed up, that wire goes to the right place. A side note is we want to make sure that it's a wire, not an ACH transfer. It has to be a wire. So that's step one in the escrow process. Let's get that squared away. If you have any questions, reach out to our transaction team. We're happy to help.